This is it. 200 years old and built from beautiful Cotswold stone.
Now, I want to make it absolutely clear that this is Jeremy Clarkson's actual house.
Yeah, it really is. I'd swear to my children's lives on that. It's Jeremy's house. He bought it when he fell in love with the view.
It is a lovely view, actually.
It is. Be even better soon without a house in it. Short ceremony, say a few words?
Nah,